All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are getting ready to do our first lesson in chapter 11. I know we're so excited about this. Let me get my pen situated. Nope. Pen, line. There we go. Okay. Our lesson is, how do we model perimeter? How can you find perimeter? And we're going to figure out what that is in just a minute. Our objective is what we're going to learn. You will use dot paper and grid paper to find the perimeter of figures by counting the number of units on each side. Okay, so our perimeter right here is what you need to know. Perimeter is the distance around a figure. It is the outside. All we're doing is measuring the outside length of a figure. That is it. Okay, we're just measuring the sides and adding them up. That's it. Perimeter plus, remember that. Okay, now for this lesson, it asks for a geoboard. We don't have a physical geoboard with us, but you can use that virtual geoboard that we used for quadrilaterals when we were still at school. It is on Symbaloo. Okay, so what I need for you to do right here, we're just going to use this dot paper right here. We're going to draw a rectangle on this dot paper. Remember, a rectangle has two pairs of congruent sides. That means the opposite sides are equal. So we're going to make a rectangle on the geoboard that is 3 units on 2 sides and 2 units on the other 2 sides. So one side's going to be 3 and the other side's going to be 3. This is going to be 2 and this is going to be 2. Congruent means they are the same. The opposite sides are going to be the same. Okay, it is already started for you. Unit. They're talking about a unit. A unit is the space in between 2 dots. You see how it goes from dot to dot? That is a unit. Okay, they're using unit. It could be feet. It could be centimeters. It could be millimeters. You use whatever they say. This one, they're just leaving it open. It's just a unit. They're not specifying. Okay, so first, let's do our 3 units on 2 sides. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3. Those are the 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3 spaces. Okay, do you see that? I know it's not straight. I apologize. In Mrs. Key's world, that's straight. Well, and then the opposite side needs to be 3 too, but I'm not exactly sure where to put it. So let's do the perpendicular side, okay? So it says 2 units. So I'm going to go 1, 2. You see there's 2 spaces, 1, 2 spaces. Then I can do the congruent, 1, 2, 3. I can do the congruent 3 units. And then the opposite side, 1, 2, 1, 2. So here is 2, here is 2, here's our 3, and this is our 3. We made a rectangle that have the opposite sides. The opposite sides are congruent. They are the same. Okay, now let's go down and let's figure out what that has to do with perimeter. We're going to write the length next to each side of your rectangle. We did that, okay? Now we're going to add the number of units on each side. So we have 3, we have 2, we have 3, and we have 2. We're going to add them up. So 3 plus 3 is 5, 3 plus 2 is 5, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 5 is 10. So the perimeter of the rectangle is 10 units, okay? So all we did is say 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2, okay? That's all perimeter is. That's all you're doing is adding up the sides. All right, let's go to the next page. I want to skip the first 2 and I want to go down to making a connection. The first page was about dots. Now we're doing grid paper. Grid paper has the boxes already on there for you. How fabulous is that? Okay, all you're doing is just counting the number of spaces on each side. That's it. Okay, so let's start at this arrow. Let's start up here. We have 1, 2, 3. There's 3. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then there's 1, 2, 3. Then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? You went from corner to corner. You want to count all the sides. Okay? So you could have also just counted them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. From corner to corner, there are 16 units. Okay, you could just end, or you could add up the sides. 5 plus 5 plus 3 plus 3. 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 3 plus 3 is 6. 10 plus 6 is 16. It works, I promise. Okay, now let's start here. Let's do B. This one is a little tricky, and it might be easier just to go from corner to corner. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I get 14 units. Do you see how you can just do that? Make sure you count every side. Now, the reason why I say that's easier is because I want to show you. From here to here is 1. From here to here is 2. But you have to make sure you count the one that goes down. 1. A lot of people miss that. And then the one that goes across, 1. And then the one that goes down, 1. And then the one that goes across, 1. Then you count 1, 2, 3. Then you count 1, 2, 3, 4. Woo! And there's a 1. I kind of blocked it out. So let's count this up. 4 plus 3 is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. Sometimes it's just easier to count. Okay? All right, let's go to the next one. The Sharon show. Find the perimeter of the figure. Each unit is 1 centimeter. Well, let's start. We're going to go from corner to corner. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 centimeters. Now you could also do the 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. So we do 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Either way works. But try it both ways to make sure that you do not skip some of these sides that are tricky. Okay, here we go. Corner to corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 centimeters. Now, do you notice how we switched from units to centimeter? Well, it said each unit is centimeter. They are now giving you a unit of a measure. Whatever they tell you it is, that's what has to be in your label. Be careful with that. So let's also do it the other way. 1, 2, 3. It's 3 centimeters. 1, 2, 2 centimeters. 1, don't forget that. 1, 2, 3. 3 centimeters. 1, 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 2. Now let's count them up. 5 plus 3 is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. It works. Shoo. Okay. Now this one, I love this because it's a square. Okay. And what do we know about squares? All sides are equal. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. It is a square. So you can just say 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 3 is 12. You can count it up if you don't trust me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And it works. Woohoo! Okay, the next one, number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2. Now, did we really have, we saw it was a rectangle. Did we really have to count the bottom one? No, but we did just to be sure. Well, let's look at this. 2 plus 7 is 9. 7 plus 2 is 9. So 9 plus 9 is 18. Can we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Woohoo! We got it. Okay? All right, let's go down. Oh, these don't give you the grids. You have to figure it out. How fun is that? Okay, it's like a puzzle, okay, where you get to use that magnificent brain of yours. Okay, so let's look at this. A figure with 4 sides that measure 4 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 5 centimeters, and 1 centimeter. Now, do we even have to see the figure? No, they already gave you the measurements. They gave us the measurements for all 4 sides. So what are we going to do here? You guessed it. We are going to add them together because that's what we do with perimeter. Perimeter plus, perimeter plus, perimeter plus. Get that in the brain. Okay? So 4 plus 6 is 10. 5 plus 1 is 6. Oh, that's a 10. Okay, and we have 16. Okay, so it's 16 centimeters. Now, it said centimeters. Make sure if it says feet, you have to put feet. If it says millimeters, you put millimeters. Okay, now this one, a figure with 2 sides that measure 10 inches, one side that measures 8 inches, and one side that measures 4 inches. Uh-oh, don't get tricked. Right here, it says a figure with 2 sides that measure 10 inches. So you're going to have 10 plus 10. You're going to have 2 sides that are 10. And one side that measures 8. And then another side that measures 4. Okay, it's a quadrilateral, isn't it? It's going to be a trapezoid. It is a quadrilateral. It has 4 sides. So it's got 2 plus 1 plus 1. It's got 4 sides. It tells you that. So 10 plus 10 is 20. And then 8 plus 4 is 12. So it is 32 inches. Do you see how they switched from centimeters to inches? You have to get that label right. All right. I love this problem solving one, and I want to do that really quickly with you, okay? We explain how to find the length of each side of a triangle with sides of equal length in a perimeter of 27 inches. Well, let's think about that. First off, I have to think, well, does it tell me how many sides? Yes, it tells me how many sides right here. How many sides does a triangle have? 3. Very good. Now let's look at that, okay? Now, if I have 3 sides and they're all equal length, we don't know. It's 3 times L, which equals 27 inches. Now let me think. 3 times what equals 27? Let's think about that. Oh, I know that. 3 times 9 equals 27. If I add up 9 plus 9 plus 9, the 3 sides of equal length, I would get 27, 20, that's a 7 inches. Okay? All right, and we know from the last chapter that that's an equilateral triangle. Don't forget those terms, okay? All right. I am not going to do this right now. What I want you to do, ladies and gentlemen, I now want you to go on to your Go Math, And I want you to go on your personal math trainer. I want you to do personal math trainer and do lesson 11.1. Okay, that's what it will be. It will be your homework. I want to see, and that is what I am checking. Make sure you get through this lesson and submit it so I know that you have it done. That is what I am checking to see if you have. Now, if you still need the rabbit video, I wasn't going to assign it, but if you still need the rabbit video, let me know, okay? And I will assign it to you, okay? All right. If you have any questions, when we have our Zoom meetings, I want you to tell me or send me a email on Canvas, okay? But try your homework first, okay? All right. Bye, guys.